When aspiring for the top, ignore all voices telling you to stop. No one will praise a loser. The world only cares about the winner. Ọmọ Ìyá alata giving testimony at the altar. I was born with a plastic spoon. I didn't know the value of being born with a silver spoon until I tried to fry plantain. Unfortunately, the spoon melted like molten magma. Àṣeṣíbí oníke ò lè dín dòdò. Early in the morning, before the school hour, Ìyá alata will cast out the sleeping spirit in me. Ọkọ mi wá lọ kiri díẹ̀ kó lè rówó mú lọlé ìwé. I dare not refuse, unless I want to go to school on an empty stomach. At first, it seemed like torture to my eyes, lovers of slumber. But if I could remember, it later turned to a bosom friend of my eyes. Ebi ò pa ẹ́ olóògbọ́n, tan teacher rẹ. I could remember her words. Rántí ọmọ ẹni tí ò ń ṣe, ìran mẹ́ta ò gbúdọ̀ tòṣì. Such were food of my ear daily for my mom when going to school. Make friend wisely. Àgùntàn tó bá bá járìn á jẹ̀gbẹ́. You are dealing with the moon. Don't be distracted by the star. To eat thrice daily. I must up twice daily. It's not their fault. Life puts that on their table. How kúkú lè fọlọ́run lẹ́jọ́. We were called different names. Aláṣẹ ọ̀kan, tálákà, and many more. Àmọ́ lọ́jọ́ òní, a dúpẹ́ fọlọ́run. To God be the glory. Even in the absence of the sun, our silage turned to hay. Yesterday's seed has flourished. The empty barrel is now overflowing. It is now a story. Ọmọ Ìyá alata giving testimony at the altar.